Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to check out this new awesome folding EDC knife from CRKT. This is the Bot. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from CRKT and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at CRKT for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife, paying attention to the thickness here of the permanent marker as compared to the handle. And of course, you always want to pay attention to the length compared to the permanent marker. Let's take a look at it going vertical. And just really quick, this is what it looked like if they were stacked on top of each other. Let's get a ruler in here for a rough estimate on overall length. Looks like closed coming in at just about 4 inches. Let's get a quick measurement going across this way, and I would call that just about 1.25 inches. Let's check it out now with the blade open. Here's your size reference there. Let's get them back to back vertically here. Let's get the ruler back in here from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle, just about 7 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife so you get a better idea for the thickness of the knife. Right here is a pair of chopsticks. There is the thinner side. There's a thicker side. This is looking like it's going to be closer to the thickness, a little bit thicker than the big side of a pair of chopsticks. And let's bring in the ruler again, and it's coming in at just about 1/2 inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade right in the thumb wrap area. And that's pretty chunky. That looks like it's just about 2/4 thick. Let's get the Bot on the scale, get an overall weight, coming in at 4.7 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 4.7 ounces feels like, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 6 of those. This is a spring-assisted opening mechanism, and it is fast and smooth. All you got to do is pull down on this little lever right here. Got some jimping on there to help you out, and it absolutely flies open. That's like a magic trick right there. Now you see it, now you don't. All right, we'll do that one more time. Gliding on CRKT's IKBS bearing system, lightning fast and smooth. The locking mechanism on this knife is CRKT's Deadbolt. And just like a regular deadbolt, well, here you have 2 lugs that go through the knife to lock it into place. It is absolutely stout. The way you close it is you push on this button. You just got to make sure that you don't have a finger closing the lock on this side. So you just press on the button, close it up, all set to go. That easy. Let's have a look up front at the blade. Right, we got this beautiful EDP black finish. Beautiful drop point blade design, nice big belly. Comes around to a nice little finger choil right here. Let me give you guys a close-up of the jimping here. All right, I'm going to turn that sideways so you can see just how nice those are. Not overly aggressive. Feels really nice in the hand. The Bot uses one of my favorite grinds. We're talking full flat here. No shoulder, no curvature, just full flat. Easy to maintain, easy to sharpen, and with the thickness of this blade, you're going to have a really strong edge. You got a lot of steel in the back of that edge, so it's probably not going to be the best slicer as far as cutting really delicate things like newspaper, but when you're cutting through something like cardboard, all of that steel back there makes for a really good slicer. We got a Japanese steel being used up front, AUS 10, very similar to VG10. We got almost 1% carbon and 14% chromium. It's going to give you really good corrosion resistance, great toughness, great hardness. It's going to have really good edge retention and very easy to sharpen. All around, just a very nice steel, AUS 10. Let's have a look at these beautiful JG10 scales. Right, the pattern on here is basically circular right around the pivot, and then it repeats this way, and then underneath it, it goes the opposite way. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it gives it a really good contrast texture. Let's open it up and have a look at the liner on the inside. This thing is a beast. There is no skeletonization in there. Black lining. Nice, comfortable finger grooves in here. I can get all 4 in here. Right, my thumb rests very comfortably right in here in the thumb wrap area where the jimping is. And again, if you want to sneak up here, and get a little bit more control when you're doing more detailed knife work. You can get all 5 fingers on there. We got black hardware here. The contrast between that and this JG10 is awesome. T6 screws, so if you want to take this apart and service it yourself, clean it and lubricate it, you can do that all on your own. Black backspacer. Lanyard hole. And let's turn it around to check out this pocket clip. That's going to be deep. Deep carry. Not reversible to the other side. All right. Give you a little bit more close up on this texturing again. I'm going to turn it sideways. You can see just how non-aggressive that is. It's still plenty grippy, but that's not going to tear up your pocket when you put it in there. Tip up carry only. Let's have a look at what this knife is going to look like when you put it in your pocket. I think it's going to fully disappear. Yep. There's not much there. Tiny little clip. Vanishes. Let's try to get through some paracord. Easy job. Let's see how this edge does against some cardboard. Oh yeah, that thick blade, just running right through it. Once again, guys, this has been the Bot from CRKT. If you're looking for a new EDC knife that's got a really solid and robust locking mechanism, opens up super quick, and has a really big belly for a really nice slicer, this might be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from CRKT, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.